the Soundcore Life P2. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll take a look at the Soundcore Life P2 by Anker. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside you get the user guide, various sizes of ear tips, and the USB-C charging cable. The Life 2 features 7 hours of listening time, 40 hours with the case. It has quick charge, so 10 minutes will give you 1 hour. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, 6mm drivers, aptX codec, and CVC for noise reduction. Uses button controls, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX7 waterproof. The case has a matte finish and it's plastic all around. On the top of the lid, you'll find the Soundcore branding in bronze lettering. On the front of the case, you have the status LED. And on the back, you'll find the USB-C charge port. The lid is light and it holds into place when open. It uses magnets along with the earbuds, and the earbuds are firmly secure inside the case. There are notches inside so you can grip and remove the earbuds a lot easier, and you have the indicator markings etched in inside the case. The Life P2 is a stem design which is in line with the other models that Anker carries with this form factor. They are light and it has a matte finish. On the bottom of the stem you have the ear indicator markings, and on the outside face it has a large surface for the button control. Each of the earbuds feature microphones, button control, LED, interchangeable ear tips, and charging contacts. Here they are side by side. Navigating playback and call controls is straightforward, nothing tricky. A few clicks or a long hold to get the desired function. And just to get a size perspective, here it is next to the Apple AirPods. The case comes in at 3.1 by 1.8 by 1.2 inches. It weighs in at 52 grams and the earbuds come in at 10 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
I said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer, don't want this night to be.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Soundcore Life P2 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2. The microphone worked well during calls. It was loud and clear. and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was also instant. Testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Anker Soundcore Life P2, and sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. They were very easy to put on and it just slid into my ears without any issues. The fit was perfect and it created a nice seal. There was good passive noise isolation. It's in line with the Liberty 2s that I have reviewed in the past. They are comfortable, but you will feel some pressure when navigating with the button controls. I wish they were a bit more clicky and required a little less pressure to activate. They had no issue staying to place while running, and it felt very secured. Build and quality is solid. Nothing too flashy with the case, and it's very simple. The earbuds felt durable and solid as well. Battery life is excellent and it should have no issues lasting you through your activities. I like the fact that it's IPX7 waterproof, so you have protection against the elements. This doesn't have app integration like the Liberty series. It would have been a good option, but you will have to pay more for the other series to get that functionality. Now when it comes to sound, the Life P2 doesn't disappoint. The bass is very punchy and prominent and not too overwhelming. I feel it does fall more on the warm side. Mids and highs come in clean and the clarity is definitely there. It has a wide soundstage. I do wish vocals were turned up just a notch, but other than that, it was a pleasant listening experience. It did well with various music genres that I tested with. Anker Soundcore has released various models recently, and this one is surprisingly good. There is definitely good value here if you're looking for a budget pair, and the price point is very competitive. You get good sounds, clear microphone, and long battery life. So that is my review of the Anker Soundcore Life P2. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.